ALS, also known as amyotrophic lateral sclerosis, is a rare and progressive neurological disease that affects the nerve cells responsible for controlling voluntary muscle movements.
ALS, often referred to as Lou Gehrig's disease, is named after the famous baseball player who was diagnosed with the condition in 1939. It is a disease that primarily impacts motor neurons in the brain and spinal cord, leading to the gradual loss of muscle control.
Motor neurons are essential for transmitting signals from the brain to the muscles, allowing us to move, breathe, and even speak. In ALS, these motor neurons degenerate and die, which means the muscles they control become weaker over time and eventually stop working. As the motor neurons die off, the body's ability to initiate and control muscle movement is lost. This leads to increasing difficulty with tasks such as walking, talking, and even breathing. Early signs of ALS can vary from person to person, but common symptoms include muscle weakness, twitching, and cramping. People with ALS may also experience difficulty speaking or swallowing as the disease progresses. ALS usually begins in the hands, feet, or limbs, but it can affect any part of the body. It's important to recognize these early symptoms and seek medical evaluation. While the exact cause of ALS is still unknown, researchers believe that both genetic and environmental factors may play a role. About 10% of ALS cases are inherited, while the rest occur sporadically, without a clear family history.
Diagnosing ALS can be challenging because its symptoms overlap with other conditions. Doctors typically perform a series of tests, including blood work, imaging, and electromyography, or EMG, to rule out other possible causes before confirming the diagnosis.
While there is no cure for ALS, there are treatments that can help manage symptoms and improve quality of life. Medications like riluzole and edaravone have been shown to slow disease progression in some patients. Physical therapy, occupational therapy, and respiratory support are also essential parts of managing ALS. These therapies can help maintain independence for as long as possible. Despite the challenges, ALS research is advancing. Scientists are exploring potential treatments through gene therapy, stem cells, and new drug developments. There is hope that breakthroughs are on the horizon. ALS is not just a medical challenge, but an emotional one as well. Support from family, friends, and ALS communities can make a significant difference in coping with the disease. Many organizations are dedicated to raising awareness, funding research, and providing support to those affected. Although ALS presents many obstacles, the courage and resilience of those affected continue to inspire. By increasing awareness, supporting research, and building a strong community, we can move closer to finding a cure. For more information, visit organization website.